Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here back with Nate. Nate's been helping me the last few weeks with some videos. He's been killing it. We got some cool videos coming up, but today we wanted to do a quick video and show you two new items that we're going to add to our website. We got two carbon fiber hoods. We're going to please the Ford guys and the Chevy guys. We have a 69 Camaro hood that fits from a 67 all the way to a 69. And then we have a 64 to, would this fit 66, 60?
No, this is 64, 5.6.
Okay.
First gen.
First gen 64, 5.6 Mustang hood. Just a standard flat hood, and this is a Cal hood. And then just real quick, how we got to making these hoods. I feel like a lot of stuff we add to the website is because we need it, and we're building it for our needs, and then we're like, cool, let's put it on the website because other people can enjoy it.
And first off, two of the greatest cars ever built, probably.
Yeah.
A first-gen Mustang.
67, I don't know.
They're nice, but the first gens too.
It's cool.
One of the best-selling cars ever.
Yes.
I mean,
great
69 Camaro.
Yes. Okay,
I mean,
yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
so this hood came about, we sold a car to one of our customers. It was a custom built, had a matte black hood, and during transport, the hood got damaged. It was a pinned hood, had pins in it. For whatever reason, the trucker unpinned it, and the hood was jumping up and down, and it damaged it on the truck. So he called us, and he says, hey, I need a new hood. I'm going to send you the old hood. We get the old hood, and he says, hey, make it out of carbon. I want a matte carbon hood. So here's his hood, and now we have the mold, and now we can add it. So Nate, just working on this hood just to show it. This is a V-cut, matte finish, factory fitment. So this is super cool. Could we flip it real quick, Nate? Which way you want to go?
See the bottom side.
By the way, it's very heavy. No, I'm just kidding. I think these hoods are about 21 pounds, I think, or so. I think this one was about 19 pounds for the Camaro. So what you see, what's very cool, factory location for the hinges. It's already have all the threads in it, so you could just fit it in. We have holes if you want to pin it, like if you're building a custom car, you could just drill the hole and have pins.
So in the inner structure, the hole's already there, and all you have to do is drill the outer structure.
Exactly. And then if you want to use a factory latch, the factory latch is already drilled and can fit, so you can latch it, and you can see how we have a lot of structure in the middle.
Some nice heat material in here, and inside, and it covers that, and then you have the exposed carbon.
So you guys can see how the bottom of this hood looks. It's a two-part mold, and then we bonded in the mold to make sure it's accurate. I don't have a car right here to fit it on to show you how well this fit, but we did fit it to multiple cars, and it fits beautiful. So this is going to go straight to our customer. He's going to put it on the car. It should be dead on. He's going to be super excited. So this is the...
this hood's beautiful.
Yeah, this is the Mustang hood. We'll get it in the next few weeks on our website, but if you're looking for a really super cool hood and take some of the weight off the front end,
hood's a great way to do it.
Yeah, amazing, let's talk about the Camaro hood. This Camaro hood came for a different reason. This is actually my own car, and we decided, I don't know why, when the LT5 started being produced, we said we bought like 3 or 4 LT5s. That is the most powerful crate engine that GM ever released, and we wanted to put it in my car. So this was a running car, and we took it all apart. We're going to do a few different things, like Nate designed an independent for the rear, and then we did an LT5 on it. So I wanted my stock hood. I had a stock steel Cal hood, and I wanted the stock hood, and we just couldn't fit it with the LT5. We got the tranny and the motor dropped as low as we can, and it wouldn't fit.
And the inner structure was all wrong for the new setup.
Yeah, it's set up for a Cal, for an air filter, exactly.
Old school carbureted air filter.
Yeah, so then the guy, then I started looking online, and everything I saw there is like a fiberglass, or even if it was carbon, they had like a 4-inch, huge car. Actually look at this car, Madeline, kind of show them. This is the kind of hood I was finding out there, like a fiberglass hood with a huge cowl. And I told the guys, absolutely not. I don't want that. You know what I mean?
It's not the 80s anymore.
I said, I don't want that look. I want this car to be a sleeper. I want it to be a daily driver. You can see the paint is not perfect. I've had this car for over 30 years. I want to drive it, and I want it to look right. So what we came out with that is super cool is we built this hood, and Nate, it's just sitting here. We don't have the hinges.
We don't have the hinges yet.
So Nate, yeah, probably got to go that way. Let me grab this side. Super light. And what we did with this hood is, I'm going to put it on my shoe here, Nate, on the corner. It's super light. So what we did with this hood, we did a cowling, just like a factory hood, but we did a full enclose on the inside, and we reshaped it like the cowl, and we gave it a high clearance. So it'll fit anything from an LT5, LT4, bigger superchargers, obviously to a limit.
And we have the air releasing out of the back.
Exactly. We did the air in the back for the cowling to suck some fresh air. Again, it's all threaded for the hinges. You can put factory latches. You can
obviously you'd run billet hinges on something like this.
Yes, yeah, super light billet hinges. It's this hood is like ridiculously light. If you put it side by side, let's look at the profile. Side by side with a factory cowl, I think we went in a few millimeters to clear it, but barely anything anybody will notice unless you like putting them side by side and measuring them. So I think the profile of this hood is just beautiful. This looks amazing, like a cowl hood. It's got a little bit more meat that actually I really like it.
Yeah.
But look at that clearance on the bottom that we were able to achieve. So here, if we put it here again, sorry guys, we just have this car sitting
we should show that engine
so take a
sticking
look
up too.
How high this LT5 sits, you know? And that's all the way down to the ground. That's as low as you can put it. So you can see this thing just fits. Let's go. What do you want to do, the rear? We still got to do paint work and different things on that. Maybe we do the front first.
Yeah, that's smart.
Yeah. So you can see how it sits on the car.
And this is just top coat on here now, so this doesn't even have clear coat. That's just the initial finish of it. That'll get cleared and buffed out.
The molds are carbon molds. This is all pre-preg, vacuum, oven baked, carbon. So super lightweight, super strong. I can't wait to get back in this car. I'm excited about it. We have a lot of other projects, unfortunately, so we'll have this car on the channel eventually, but it's going to be a few years because we got a ton of things going on and exciting stuff going in the shop.
Really exciting
and you'll see some cool cars that we're coming up with. We did a celebrity car that we're not going to put the name on it, but we did some cool vents, and hopefully we can find some pictures of that. Yeah, so we did that. It was a supercharger or a turbo, and we wanted to add some venting. So we do have some custom vents that could be cut in to any hood pretty much there. We designed them to just come in and be able to be vented in. So but this is really the product that we're going to offer. It's going to be in this quality. You'll be able to actually choose it in different color carbon if you wanted to. You could choose it in a matte finish and a glossy finish. So hit us up and let us know if that's something you're interested for your next project. And we got a lot of new other products that are coming out that are super exciting. All right, guys, so thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video.